Hey, professor. Hey, class. So I'll be talking about my website today, and I will not have it uploaded, well, showing you through the video, but it is submitted. So just to talk about my website. So first off, it's based off of a mixture of H&M, a store called Shein, and a store called ASOS. They're all clothing stores. I only shop at two of them, but I just wanted to implement the other one. So my website is a clothing store, as I said, and I wanted to give off a early 2000s type of vibe. Well, considering that's the age group that I grew up on. So I dealt with a lot of CSS with this project, not necessarily the HTML. I tried to add in a GIF, but I simply didn't have enough time for it. I added in a cool, like, glossed up background, and added a whole bunch of images to separate from kids, men's, women's, and plus size. I added in the search bar and I added in a lot of the social media within my document. But overall, like, actually I will show you guys the picture of, I mean, my website in total. So sorry about that. So to give you guys a better look, I'm going to show it to you right now. As you can see here, here's my website from my navigation: search, home, men, women's, kids, and plus size. I have a search bar right over here, and my store being called The Vintage Store. And as I said, it's a early 2000s, 90s Y2K type of a store where you can join a membership. As you can say, get 30% off on your next order. And we have three different sections, from style gallery, today's deals, and trending deals. And we have more at the bottom right here for that. I didn't have time to implement it, but if you were to click on these, there would be another separate HTML hyperlink. And I have a contact information right here at the bottom of the screen for you. So if I was to minimize my screen and have it in a mobile view, let's see if it'll do it right here. Cool, great. So you'll be able to see my website just like this. Scroll down. Here's everything. And that's the design layout of my website. And now I'm gonna go into my HTML and CS code and show you more. As we see right here, this is my HTML, to where I have everything connected with the bootstrap. I have my own top navigation. I have my own body as of right here with my store name and a little bit about ourselves. So let me just scroll over for a little bit for you guys. As you can see, everything is fully in. So as you saw in my website, some of my stuff wasn't aligned up correctly, and I was very much confused on it, but I simply didn't have time for it. But as you see, like I said, my top nav for all of my things of search, home, men, etc. And here is my imaging for all my div classes and for the imaging on my website, as you guys saw. So I had different containers and everything for all my images. And here's my contact information. So once again, surprisingly enough, I mainly struggled with my HTML rather than my CSS and everything. Which I learned about this class is that you got to have order with your coding. If you don't, you mess up a lot of things. So within my website, some things are a little bit messed up, but it is finished at the end of the day. So my CSS. So if I go into my CSS right here, you see everything right here. So let me just scroll down for you guys. Slowly but surely. Everything's in. So basically, that's pretty much my website and the things that I went through overall. I don't believe I had time to implement I believe JavaScript. I was going to add in a GIF, like I said earlier in there, but the sizing of the GIF simply wasn't working. Well, in my CSS and HTML. So there was something probably messed up in there, but that's my website. Hopefully you guys liked it, and I hope you guys have a great summer and have a nice day.